Hello? Adding a line to your Twigby Mobile account is easy. This video shows you how to add a line with a physical SIM card onto your account with a phone that you already have. Let's begin. Start by logging in to your Twigby Mobile account. Click My Account at the top, then Add a Line, or click Add a Line below. Here, you will choose to bring your phone. Enter your phone's IMEI number. If you need help, look below the white box where it says Need Help and click on it. Then check Phone. If your phone is compatible, you can now get a free SIM card. Then you will choose to keep your number or get a new number. If you keep your number, you will enter your number on the next page and go through the checkout process. In this video, we will get a new number. After entering your service address, select Continue. Now choose a plan and click Continue. Review your cart and then check out. Choose your shipping method and click Continue. You can select your payment method from here or add a card to your account. You will enter any promo codes you have on the right side of the screen. You will then get a confirmation page with your order number. That's how to add a line by bringing your phone to Twigby Mobile.